What was that? It sounded like a huge sleeping noise. I wonder what that sound was. Hey, Pikachu. Oh, hey, Squirtle. Do you know what that sound was? What sound? That sound. Well, I don't know what it was. And what was it? Hey, Pikachu. Hey, Squirtle. Oh, hey, Bulbasaur. Hey, Bulbasaur. Do you know what that sound was? What sound? That sound. Oh, I didn't hear it. Then what could be making that sound? And see, there it is again. Hey, Pikachu. Oh, hey, Charmander. Oh, what's the matter? Nothing. It's just I hear this noise. Like that. Oh. Sounds like a sleeping noise. Really? Yeah. It kind of sounds like it. Like that. Yeah. What could be making that noise? What even is that noise? Hey, Pikachu. Oh, hey, Gengar. You know what that noise is? What noise? Have you been hearing it? Yeah, when I was flying. What do you think it was? I don't know. There it is again. Sounds like it to me. Well, I don't know where it's coming from. Neither do I. Where is that sound even coming from? Wait, did I just see... Guys, is that what I think is what's making that noise? What is it, Pikachu? Yeah, what is it? Yeah, what is it? Yeah, what is it? Is that a Snorlax? Snorlax. 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 Huh? Oh. Good morning, Pikachu. And good morning, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Gengar. Snorlax, we haven't seen you since we left Kanto and went here. What are you doing here? Well, it all started when I wanted to find a place to sleep, and I didn't know how I found myself here, but I just came here for some random reason. I forgot how I got here all the way from Kanto, and now I'm here. So I took a nap here. I expect to see you guys again. Yeah, we didn't expect to see a Pokemon like you here either. Now that you mention it, why don't you live with us? Really? You want me to live with you guys? Yeah, we're actually living with a bunch of random people. Heck, we're even living with the likes of Darkwing Duck, Garfield, and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Aren't those all just cartoons? Yeah, including Tom and Jerry. They live with us in this place now. Oh, okay. So what do you say? You want to live with us? Sure. Okay, then, Snorlax. Welcome to your new home. Thanks, Pikachu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Alright, oh wait, I already said that. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.